Lolita Silvana, and I'm here na para magturo kung para magturo ng 5 CMD command. Una, pupunta muna tayo dito. Then, i-type natin yung CMD front. Then, open natin. Then, dito, ita-type natin yung CHK BSK. Then, ito ay para sa enter natin. Then, ito ay para sa mga these errors and fixes nito. And then second command is net user. Enter. Then, ito naman is yung nagdi-display ng user accounts and allows creating account for a new one. Then the third command is help, which is display a list of available commands and this description. And the fourth command is the CLS, and siya yung nagde-delete or nag-clear ng mga command screen. And the last command is the exit. Enter. Siya yung nagko-close ng command prompt window.